To start a meeting in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can quickly create a meeting. So here I am talking about non-scheduled meetings. So let's say someone rushes in and they would like you to start a meeting, or you would like to start an emergency meeting, just want to gather everyone else. So in this particular case, what you can do is you might see this meet now button right here within your chat window. So you can simply click onto this meet now option, and from here, if you would like, if you have the time, you can type in the meeting name, and then from here you can have two options, either to get a link to share, or you can start the meeting right away. The moment you click onto the start meeting option, you can see that it has started the meeting. So that's how easily you can start a meeting right away using the meet now feature in Microsoft Teams. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.